Noah,
I need to talk to you. Of course, Emma.
you look troubled. What is going on?
Honestly, I feel really sad these days. It is becoming harder and harder to stay positive.
Oh no, I am so sorry to hear that. What happened to make you feel this way?
My friends always laugh at me when I speak English. They make jokes about my accent and my grammar.
They laugh? Why would they do that? True friends should encourage you, not pull you down.
Because my English is not good. I try to talk, but I make many mistakes, and they notice everything.
Oh, I understand now. That must feel terrible. Nobody likes to be the target of a joke.
It is. Every time I try to say something, they laugh. It feels like a heavy weight on me.
Does it happen every single time? Or is it just when you try to say complex things?
Almost every time. I cannot even say hello without someone snickering or making a face.
That is not fair at all. You are trying to learn a new language, which is brave.
I know, but their reaction makes me afraid to speak. I feel paralyzed when people look at me.
Afraid of what exactly? Is it the laughter itself, or the feeling of failure that scares you?
I am afraid of speaking English in front of people and looking stupid. I feel like a child.
Don't be afraid, Emma. Everyone starts somewhere. Even the best speakers were once beginners like you.
I try, Noah, I really do. But I always fail. I forget words and I lose my confidence.
Failing is part of learning. If you don't make mistakes, you aren't trying hard enough. Don't worry too much.
You always have good advice. Then tell me, how can I improve?
Where do I even start?
Start with the simple present tense. It is the foundation of everything you will say in English.
Why that one? It sounds too basic. Shouldn't I learn the difficult words first to impress them?
Because it is the most important tense for beginners. It helps you describe your life and your world clearly.
Really? Is it actually that useful? I thought it was just something from a grammar book.
Yes, we use it every single day for habits, for facts, and for things we do in daily life.
Yeah. Oh, I see. Daily life things. Like what I do from the moment I wake up until I sleep?
Exactly. It is about the reality of your existence. Let me show you how simple it can be. I wake up in the morning. Notice how there are no complicated endings or auxiliary verbs there.
I wake up in the morning too. Hey, that was easy. I didn't have to think twice.
I brush my teeth. It is a habit, something I do every single day without fail.
I brush my teeth as well.
This feels much more natural than the sentences in my textbook. I drink water. It is a simple fact of life. We all need to stay hydrated.
I drink tea. I prefer a warm cup of Earl Grey to start my busy day.
See? These are all simple present sentences. You are already communicating effectively without any fear or hesitation.
Oh, we use it to talk about our routines, right? It connects my actions to the language.
Right. Simple, isn't it?
Whoa.
It is the most powerful tool in your linguistic toolbox right now.
Yes, it is easy to understand. I don't feel like I am drowning in grammar rules anymore.
And it is powerful because it allows you to share who you are with the world. Do you speak English with your family at home? Do they help you practice these simple sentences?
Sometimes, but not often. I usually revert back to my native language because it is easier.
Why not? Is it because they are too busy or because they don't understand English?
Because my family doesn't speak English. They didn't have the chance to learn it like I do.
That is fine. You can be the teacher. Practice with your friends then, during your lunch breaks.
But my friends laugh at me. We are back to the same problem, Noah. I can't practice with them.
Then practice with me. I will never laugh at you, no matter how many mistakes you make.
Really? You would spend your free time helping me? That is so kind of you, Noah.
Of course. I will help you anytime. Helping a friend succeed is a reward in itself.
Thank you so much, Noah. I don't know what I would do without your support.
Let's start right now. No more talking about being sad. Simple sentences first. Go.
Okay, I am ready. I am going to master this tense if it's the last thing I do.
I go to school. I walk through the gates every morning at 8 o'clock sharp.
I go to college. I take the bus and listen to music during the long commute.
I read books. I spend hours in the library exploring different worlds and new ideas.
I read blogs. I read novels. I love getting lost in a good mystery story.
I like cricket. It is a game of patience and strategy that I enjoy watching on weekends.
I like cricket. But I also like music. I play the guitar when I want to relax.
Great! These are clear and simple. You are speaking perfectly right now, Emma. Keep it up.
Yes, very easy to say. I don't feel the pressure to be perfect anymore. It's just talking.
Try a few more on your own. Think about what you do in the kitchen or at home.
Okay. I drink milk. I have a glass every night before I go to bed. Good.
Good, good, yeah. Good. What else? What do you eat for your main meals?
I eat rice. It is the main part of my dinner every single day.
Excellent. You are building a solid foundation. Give me one about your daily exercise.
I walk to the market. I enjoy the fresh air and seeing the colorful vegetables.
Nice. And pratisprad? Erwijs.
And what about your sister? What do you do together? I play with my sister. We often go to the park and run around together.
Wonderful! You are improving fast. Your pronunciation is getting clearer with every sentence you say.
Do you think I can really get better? Can I reach a level where people stop laughing? Are you proud of me?
Because I am already proud of how far you have come today.
Of course you already are. I mean, I am starting to feel proud of myself too.
Keep practicing every day. Consistency is the key to mastering any new skill in life.
I will. I promise to spend at least 30 minutes every day practicing my English.
Yes, I am very proud of you.
You?
You have the heart of a lion, Emma.
Yeah. Thank you. You have changed my perspective on everything. I feel like I can breathe again.
What do you usually do in the morning? Tell me your whole routine in simple present.
I wake up early. The sun shines through my window and wakes me up.
What next? Don't stop now.
You are doing a great job describing the details.
I wash my face and brush my teeth.
Huh?
I feel refreshed and ready for the day.
What do you eat? Do you have a big meal or just a small snack?
I eat bread. Sometimes I put a little bit of butter or jam on it.
What do you drink? Is it something cold or something hot to wake you up?
I drink tea. It is a habit I learned from my grandmother many years ago.
What do you eat sometimes? Do you ever change your routine for something different?
Sometimes eggs. I like them fried with a little bit of salt and pepper.
I don't eat eggs. I prefer something lighter in the morning to keep me moving.
Then, what do you eat?
Huh?
Do you have a secret breakfast that gives you energy?
Rice and vegetables. It sounds strange for breakfast, but it keeps me full for hours. That's nice.
It is important to eat well if you want to work hard.
What do you do after breakfast? Where does your day take you next? I go to the office. I sit at my desk and start my daily tasks.
I go to college. I attend my lectures and take many notes in my notebook.
Do you study hard? Or do you spend all your time talking to friends?
Yes, I do.
Aray.
I want to succeed and make my family proud of me.
I work hard at my job. Success requires effort and persistence every single day.
I feel happy when I study. It makes me feel like I am growing as a person.
And I feel happy when I work. Helping others gives my life meaning and purpose.
My teacher speaks English in class.
Bye.
She is very patient, but she speaks quite fast.
Do you understand her? Or do you get lost in the middle of her sentences?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. It depends on how much coffee I have had.
Do you ask questions when you don't understand? That is the best way to learn.
No, I feel too shy. I don't want to draw attention to my mistakes.
Don't be shy. Every question you ask is a step toward understanding the language better.
But my friends laugh when I ask. They think my questions are stupid.
Forget them. Their laughter says more about their character than it does about your ability.
Huh? That's easy to say, but it is not so easy to do in reality.
I know, but you have to try. Growth happens outside of your comfort zone.
Okay, I will try. Next time I am confused, I will raise my hand.
You spoke well today, Emma. I can already see a huge difference in your confidence.
Really? Do you honestly think I am making progress after just one talk?
Yes, really. Your voice is stronger and your sentences are structured much better.
I feel a bit better now. The world doesn't seem so scary anymore.
Good. Keep it up. Don't let one bad day ruin your long-term progress.
Thanks, Noah. I feel more confident already. I am going to practice right now.
I'm glad to hear that. You have a bright future ahead of you, Emma.
but I still make mistakes. Will there ever be a day when I am perfect?
Danik. But everyone does. Even native speakers stumble over their words sometimes. It's human.
My friends don't. They seem to speak so effortlessly and without any errors.
They do, but they hide it. Or they only say things they already know.
Then why do they laugh at me? If they make mistakes too, why target me?
Yeah. Because they don't understand what learning means. They are insecure about their own progress.
I feel bad when they laugh. It hurts my heart and my pride.
Don't care about them. Care about your progress. You are the hero of your own story. Don't care about them. Care about your progress. You are the hero of your own story.